Hi guys, what's up? It's Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy homemade guava barbecue sauce. A really simple recipe and also a must-have recipe. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some guava jam. This is the guava jam that I already have as a video, and it's also featured on my website. So this is homemade guava jam that I'm using, and I'm using white guava because I was not able to get the pink guava that I really prefer. So I'm making it with white guava, but it really doesn't matter whether you use pink or white guava. I also have some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar. I like to use apple cider vinegar because it has like a fruity taste to it. So that's my preferred vinegar, but any will work. I have half a scotch bonnet. If you don't care for heat, then you can leave out the scotch bonnet completely, or you can add more scotch bonnet if you want a really fiery sauce. I also have some chopped tomato, which is from a can. I have some soy sauce, or some people call it soy sauce. I also have some liquid smoke to give it a smoky taste, some molasses, that's really just for the color. I also have some pink salt and black pepper, some parsley and some fresh thyme, some onions and garlic. So the first thing we need to do is to add some olive oil to a medium-sized frying pan on medium heat. So you just want that to heat up, and once it heats up, then you want to add your onion, garlic and ginger. I forgot to mention that I'm also using ginger. I forgot to mention that when I was showing you guys what ingredients you need. So I also have some ginger in there as well. So what you want to do is when you add those three ingredients, you just want to saute them for a few minutes until they become soft and translucent. So the next thing we need to do is to add the scotch bonnet. We also need to add the herbs, so we need to add the thyme and the parsley, also the chopped tomato. We're also going to add the apple cider vinegar as well, the molasses, the liquid smoke, and also the soya, or some people call it soy sauce. So you're going to add all of those ingredients, and then we're just going to stir for a few minutes. So the next thing we need to do now is to add the homemade jam, the guava jam. So like I said, the color of the sauce is going to depend on whether you're using white guava or pink guava. So you're still going to get a dark hull for the sauce, but it's going to be more of a reddish tone if you're using pink guava. So you just want to stir that in, and the color of all of the contents in the pan is also going to change. So when you keep stirring now, you want to just reduce the heat now to sort of like a medium low, and you're going to continue to stir that mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes so all of the flavors can meld together, and it will give it some time for the sauce to actually thicken up. So this is what the sauce looks like after about say 15 or 20 minutes, and as you can see now, the sauce has thickened up and it is nice and rich, and that really is the type of look that we're going for. So that's really what it should look like after about 15 to 20 minutes. So now that the sauce is nice and thick, the next thing we're going to do now is, I've already done a taste test, so I'm adding the pink salt and black pepper, the amount that I feel that I need. So this is subjective to how you want it to taste, and you're also going to squeeze in the juice of a lime, and that really helps to balance out the flavor. Please do not miss out this step because it really does make a difference, and it also helps to preserve it as well. So once you add those two ingredients, you're just going to stir those in. So now we want the sauce to be nice and smooth. So I have my blender here, so I have my Ninja blender, and I'm just gonna pour the contents from the pan into my blender, or should I say I've already transferred it into a jug, so I'm transferring it from the jug to the blender, and I'm gonna put the lid on, and then I'm just gonna pulse it on high speed to a smooth consistency, and I'll show you guys what it should look like once it's ready. So now I'm just going to remove the lid and show you guys what it looks like. As you can see there, it's nice and smooth, and I'm just going to take a spoon and show you guys that the consistency is quite smooth, and that is the consistency that we want to go for. We want something that is smooth and just like a sauce. So it's really that simple, guys. That's how you make your guava barbecue sauce. I hope you make the recipe. Please do not forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the other side.